Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte, Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. This is what's going to be a virtual walkthrough tour. Since you're not with me, it'll give you a sense of what it feels like to walk through this home. Now, this home is located in North Canton Lake Township, North Canton Schools. The address is 3335 Shepherd Street Northwest, North Canton, Ohio. It's a wonderful two-story home with many awesome updates and some nice surprises that you'll get a chance to see. And I'd like to show this to you. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. So let's get started. You got a 2-story foyer right here and the front door. So I want to have you take a little peek here real quick. Nice size foyer, and the floor here is 3/4 inch thick, tongue and groove hardwood. It's beautiful, warm, and inviting. Let's take a peek out the front door. Let's see if we can see right out the side light here, so you get a little sense of the front yard. It's beautiful sidewalks, wonderful walkable area. Like I said, you're outside the city, so you get out of income tax if you work outside the city, but it's still nice because you have North Canton School District. This is the staircase. Okay, and then looking left, you see a formal dining room. So let's take a peek in there. You'll notice the crown molding, a really cool light fixture. Now, a lot of these windows here have been replaced with a nice wooden window. Has the mullions in the middle. You have chair rail. It's really lovely. And then this walks into the kitchen. So now back to the foyer. All right, so here we are in the foyer. So let's take a little peek in the living room here. Okay, so what do we have here? So we have some cabinets that look really nice, and a mirror to extend the room. And then you have French doors that go into a family room. So it's a nice little area to sit and relax. And then back to the foyer. All right, so let's take a look at the first floor. All right, so the kitchen is really cool, and here's what they did neat to the kitchen. So if you look carefully at the countertops, they look like marble, but it's quartzite, so it's a natural stone, a lot harder than marble. You could see the pattern, give you an idea what it looks like. Okay, so this pattern looks like marble, but it's not. You could see nice high-end appliances. Okay, that's a Gen Air there. Gas cooktop, if you like to cook for that gourmet chef. Stainless steel appliances. So it's a nice open kitchen to the dinette and then to the family room. Now this is a bayed out area, and you can get a look at the backyard. Let me just give you a look. There's a deck right here, and then some 2 nice columns. And then in the back, I'm going to take you through the nest, N-E-S-T, which is a nice little retreat for you. So this is truly one of a kind. They have some nice modern features. Let's take a look over here to the family room. So the family room is a step-down family room with a brick fireplace, gas logs, and then of course the French doors that take you back to the formal parlor. If you notice, there's a lot of wood detailing, a couple built-in speakers. So this is carpeting here. So I'll give you a perspective from over here. So you can see parlor to the left with pocket doors. They're all solid wood. If you notice in the kitchen, there's a backsplash like subway tile, brushed nickel accents. So let me show you over here. There's the laundry and the half bath. So here's a peek at the half bath. Nice leaded glass accent. And then here you go for the laundry. A lot of natural light in this house. I like all her light fixtures, they're pretty awesome. Okay. Plenty of storage here. Okay, and then off here to the right is the garage. Nice 2-car garage with a workshop, which is separate area. One more look at this kitchen here. Okay, let's take a look. Plenty of cabinets. The backsplash is gorgeous. It's cracked. It looks beautiful. All right, let's take a look back to the front. We're going to go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. I like that. A lot of natural light coming in here. All right, so up we go. So if you were doing prom pictures, it would be fun to use the stairwell here. We're going to take a look from up top. So if you were to take a look here, check this out. So you could do some really cool pictures on the stairwell. See all the crown and wood detail. It's really nice. Quality built home. All right, let's take a look here in the master. You see there's a trade ceiling. Okay, plenty of room. So this is facing the front of the house. You can see the front yard. Okay. All right, let's take another look here, and we're going to check out the master bath here in a second. Good size room, king size bed, lots of space. Okay, now let's check out this awesome bathroom. Look at the flooring. Now that's a large shower. So besides the shower, you have a really nice soaker tub. It's an acrylic product. Give you an idea. And then the vanity and the double sinks. It's gorgeous. Check it out. All right, let's get a better look at that. Looks like furniture. Good quality cabinetry. I love the backsplash. That is really sharp. And then you have that cabinet for extra storage, gorgeous little lights, accents. All right. So, and then the walk-in closet's right here. You got a mirror, and of course, plenty of storage. Okay. One more look at this. This is awesome. So it's an older home with all this modern details, like the kitchen and bathroom are most important. Okay. Can you see that cabinet? I'll show you the countertops real quick so you see what they look like. It's like a nice white top undermount sink. Okay, let's go check the other ones out. All right, so you see straight ahead there's a long hallway, and over top of the garage is the bonus room. So we'll see that last. Okay, second bathroom up here. Single bowl sink. Tub shower combo. Okay, and then back over here is the 2-story foyer. Front door. Great photograph spot here on the stairwell. All right, let's take a look at one of these other bedrooms here. All right, this is really cute. Nice size room. All right, let's take a peek in the closet real quick. Okay, so this is solid oak doors. Oops, bang, sorry about that. Door. Big walk-in closet here, guys. Give you a sense of that. Okay, off to the next one. You got a linen closet right here. Okay, so this is used as an office, but of course, Plenty of closet space. Here's a view out the back to the deck down below, and of course the nest, which is really exciting. I'll show you that last. Pretty much just a great little space. Double closets. And all these doors are solid wood. A lot of times you find what's called colonist doors. It's the masonite doors. Okay, so here's your bonus room. Double closet here to the right. Right here. And just to give you an idea of the size. Plenty of head space. Okay. I'll take a view from back here so you get a sense. Good size room. Okay, let's head back downstairs. Okay, here we go down. All right, back to the foyer. Now what I want to do is take you to the outside. So the basement's right here. It's an unfinished basement. A lot of storage. Your utilities are down there as far as furnace and storage and that kind of thing. Okay, so let's go outside. Check out the back. Okay. All right. So this is the deck area. Two big, giant pillars. All right. Beautiful hot summer day out here. All right. So the yard's real nice. Okay. And here's the nest. So this is a 3-season outdoor living space. Let's talk about this a second. What's really nice about this is if you don't like mosquitoes, this is definitely a place to hang out. So let's check it out. All right, here we go. So this is what's called the nest. Check out the ceiling here. Look at that, beautiful woodwork. So you could actually sit out here 3 seasons of the year. It's all, you can see the cedar detailing. Isn't this gorgeous? So if I wanted to sit right here, I could put on the gas fireplace, have a glass of wine and chill and enjoy it. I could even sleep out here if I wanted to rough it without getting bit by mosquitoes. Pretty nice, huh? I'll give you a little panoramic. So this would be the back deck, backyard. It's pretty nice. So yeah, this would be a great space. All maintenance free for the most part, and then you just close it up for the winter. Got music piped out here, gas, fireplace for ambiance, and of course, wonderful entertainment. And what I love the most is look at this knotty pine. Isn't that gorgeous? Nice ceiling fan. So that's a gorgeous wrap up, isn't it? Thanks for tuning in today. This is a rare find in the Shepherd's Gate subdivision. Feel free to call me. My name's Dominic Fonte at 330-418-1535, or send me an email at dominic@dominicfonte.com, or if you'd like to see this tour or other tours, go to dominicfonte.com. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for tuning in.